Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining in today. In this tutorial, we are going to explore how you can easily change the streaming quality inside the MLB app on your mobile device. Whether you want smoother playback on slower connections, first, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. Next, scroll down the menu options until you find the section labeled High Quality Streaming. Tap on it. Then, you will see three options: Auto, Medium, and Low. Auto allows the app to adjust quality depending on your internet connection. Medium balances video quality with stability, and Low reduces data usage while keeping the stream running smoothly. Finally, select the option that works best for your situation, and the change will be applied instantly without needing to restart the app. Thanks for watching.